This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6T versus the Asus ROG Phone. Now they both have the Snapdragon 845 and they both have a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go! That was very close on the boot up, but I'm gonna give the win to the OnePlus 6T. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared, and we do have X mode turned on for the ROG Phone. So let's get started with the Messages app. Very fast on both. Camera. Ooh, maybe the ROG clock on both. Very fast. Start the stopwatch. Leave that in the background. Chrome. Go. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, maybe the ROG on this one. We'll go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Very similar performance on both. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the ROG Phone with its 90Hz display. Do the same thing on the 6T. Not bad on 6T. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store. About the same. Click on an app. Leave it there. Amazon Shopping. I'm gonna call that one a tie. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it there. eBay. Give that to the 6T. Click on this laptop. Super Mario Run. And give this to the ROG. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. We have a downloading an extra file here on the ROG, but I think it's still ahead despite that. We'll find out right now. And give this to the ROG. Don't know what that is. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. ROG is ahead. Will the 6T catch it? No, it does not. And give this to the Asus Phone. Asphalt 9. And give this to the ROG. Tap the play button. PUBG. Very close, looking at the progress bar so you can see. Woo! I don't know, that was pretty close. You guys are the judges on this one. Grand Theft Auto. Looking at the progress bar. Looks like the ROG is ahead by a little bit. And give this to the ROG Phone. Twitter. Woo! Tie. IG. Tie again. Snapchat. Ooh, and give that to the 6T. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now both phones have 8 gigs of RAM. Let's see what happens. Instagram, good to go. Twitter, nice and fast. Grand Theft Auto, good to go. PUBG, ready to play. Asphalt 9, ready to play as well. Angry Birds 2, still in memory. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Super Mario Run, good to go. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place. Calculator, no changes. Chrome, still on GSM Arena on both. Clock, still running the stopwatch. The camera, there you go. And the Messages app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the ROG phone? How do you like the 90Hz OLED display? Personally, I think it's awesome. It gets super bright, excellent contrast ratios, and it's super smooth when you're scrolling, etc. I also love this phone's front-firing speakers. They sound really good. And I like the design too. It's pretty nice. Or do you have yourself the OnePlus 6T? This phone offering very good performance for the price, with a good looking notch, not as intrusive as some of the other phones I've seen. However, no more headphone jack on the OnePlus 6T, which is kind of a bummer. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.